Hey y'all, good morning. It's your girl Chyna. Welcome back to another vlog. You guys see I got my oils up here. I'm trying to package them, but yeah, I've been, of course, not able to do that. Oh shoot, I got my hair everywhere. But anyways, you guys, so today is Tuesday. So today make it exactly a whole week since I've gotten my procedure. And you guys, all I can say is it's been a week. It's been a week. Like, it's been a week. I'm finally starting to like able to do like little things. Like I just made me my first breakfast, some eggs. Like it was really fast. I had to do it like really fast because I'm like, I can't stand for too long. Let me make sure my thing. Oh my gosh, now I'm burning my toast. Oh Lord. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Been in bed most of the time because I can't really do much. But today I was like, you know, regarding the pain or whatever, I'm gonna try to like get some stuff done. At least make some breakfast because I've been eating the food that my mother-in-law got me for the last couple of days, but I ran out. So I'm just like, okay, I need to try to like make some food because I don't want to like I don't like being a burden to people. And you know, although I know I'm not a burden, but I know other people have lives and other people have stuff that they're doing and that they're going through. I'm not the only one that's going through something, so I don't want to like, you know, be a burden or whatever. So I'm like, nah, I need to get it together, wake up this morning and make me something to eat. So, yeah, I Instacarted some groceries because I had no food in the house and my husband was not gonna be able to do groceries until like later tonight, and I'm like, I'm gonna be hungry the whole day. So I Instacarted some stuff from Publix. It came not too long ago. I put away the groceries and everything. And yeah, let me go put my food. I got my tea. Let me show you guys what I'm eating. I just got some bagel with cream cheese and then some eggs because it was really fast to make. So I'm not vegan right now. I guess we're taking a break or whatever because again, I can't really do much, so I'm kind of just eating whatever people are willing to give me, I guess you can say. I'm gonna actually go back to sleep. I'm gonna try to go back to sleep because last night I didn't really sleep too well. I still have like a lot of pain and I still have like the chest pain. It wasn't as bad last night, thank God. I actually slept the night before, and last night it was way better because the last days prior it was just horrible. I couldn't sleep at all. So I'm glad that I got some type of sleep. But yeah, you guys, like everything is going, it's going. I'm just hoping that in a few weeks I can, you know, at least starting to feel myself back again, because right now I don't feel like myself at all. I feel like a zombie, a walking zombie all the time. Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Chyna. So today is Wednesday. Yeah, guys, so today is Wednesday. This is just a little update. So it's Wednesday. It's currently 3 o'clock. I think it just turned 3 o'clock. I was just reading the Bible. I'm trying to get back into my routine because, the last couple of days, the last week or so, I've been like, everything's just been so out of whack. Like all my schedule, all my routine has just been thrown out the window, which was fine because I was in the right mindset, headspace to do any of those things. So I'm trying to slowly get back into my normal routine. Yeah, I don't know what's going on, but I'm like shaking right now. Like I was standing up. I don't know if it's because it's so cold. Yeah, it is cold in Florida right now. It's like in the 60s right now. But usually during this time, around this time, it's like in the 80s. So 70s or yeah, like I think 60s. That's cold. So it's like the house is cold. So I don't know if it's because the house is cold. I'm like shaking right now. Like my hands are shaking, my legs are shaking. I was standing trying to get something to eat. Like I was just shaking. I'm like, what the hell is going on? So I'm just like, let me come and sit down. So I'm about to eat lunch right now, and watch like a show or whatever. So yeah, you guys, I've been doing a little bit better for sure. Like my pain in my legs, they're way better. It's still there, but it's like it's not as bad. And I still have the chest pains at night, but not as bad to where like I can't sleep. I would have to like toss and turn here and there. And today, right now, I currently kind of feel it a little bit. I don't know if it's because it's cold. I don't know. I don't know if it's gas. I don't know. My mother-in-law and my mom has been telling me it's gas, or it might be gas. I don't know. I don't know what it is, because it's just weird, because it's really bad. It spikes at night, and then during the day it's still there, but it's not as bad. It's like it's really there. So I don't know if it is gas. So I'm just trying to see if it just goes away on its own. Again, it's not as bad to where like I need emergent help or anything, or but it's still there. But I am going to go see my doctor next week as for a follow-up. So I guess I'll definitely tell him about everything. I have some labels I have to cut out after I eat and stuff like that. I might cut the labels. I want to cook dinner for my husband, because I haven't been able to cook, you guys, for the last week or so. So I'm trying to see if I can cook him something, because he hasn't been eating the way that he's supposed to, because I haven't been able to cook like so I'm gonna try to make him something really quick. I probably will do like a pasta or something. And then after that, what else? I want to start editing. I have a vlog. I'm probably gonna start it today and finish it tomorrow, or I might just do it tomorrow. I don't know, just depend on how I feel, really, because I don't want to put too much on my plate and I become overwhelmed. And then yeah, guys, I'm drinking some bouillon. This is like probably like what the fourth day I'm eating this, but again, you guys, this is really good for like when you're like, this is how it looks like. Yeah, my leg is like shaking. I don't know what's going on. I'm like shaking. Yeah, so, and then after that I'm gonna eat my cookie. This is the best cookies ever. It's made with almond flour and it's vegan. Yeah, and it's so good. Like, this is the best chocolate chip cookie that I've ever had, y'all. The ingredients are clean. It's really good. I've scanned it in my Yuka app and it's really good. So if you have like sweet craving, and and you want to eat like cleaner things, this brand right here on Amazon.
Ever see Josh not sleeping with his girlfriend in here? I'm not shot in the dark.
Hey y'all, welcome to my kitchen. Alright, you guys, so I'm making the pasta right now. The water is boiling, so I'm about to add the pasta right now. Do you guys break your pastas in half, or do you just leave it as if? My mom, she usually breaks them, so I kind of just stuck to that. What do you like? Do you guys still, well, not still, but do you guys break your pastas, or do you just leave it as is? Because it's like, and a lot of the time it doesn't fit in my bowl, in my pot, so it's kind of like I have to, what you call it? Alright, so this is the pasta. Once it starts boiling a little bit more, it'll be better to mix. Right now, since it's still very hard, I'm gonna just let it boil. I'm about to make the shrimp. I'm gonna cook it by itself first. We have our veggies. We have tomatoes, green peppers. I did not cut the onions yet. I'm about to do that right now. Anyway, so I'm gonna use some butter. I already got some oil in here, but I might add a little bit more. I don't know if I'm gonna make all of them or if I'm gonna only just do a little bit of it. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil, just a little bit. And then we're just gonna add the, I don't know if I should make all of them and just leave the rest for another day. Right now I'm gonna start mixing this since it's been going for a while now. I'm gonna try to mix it. One of the things that I was afraid of, like after the procedure, I'm gonna still feel dizzy. I still feel dizzy. I don't know if it's because, you know, my body just have to get used to, you know, the new way of things, because, you know, I don't know if I just need more time. I don't know, or it might probably just be my mind too. I don't know. And the doctor did tell me that, you know, he doesn't know if, you know, after the surgery or, well, the procedure, if the dizziness is gonna go away. So that is a little discouraging, but I'm trying to stay positive that maybe over time it does go away, or I don't know, just get better over time, you know. I don't know, I'm a little bummed about that, but again, I'm trying to stay positive, and just, you know, just hopeful that, you know, I will feel better one day. So, and again, it's still very new because today's Wednesday. I think somebody just rang my doorbell. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, Amazon just left some stuff for me. I'm gonna flip. I hate flipping these because it takes forever. Alright, y'all. Let me put this on though, because I can't hear myself. So right now we're just putting the onions, which is the last touch. The pasta. I just tasted it and it's actually pretty good. I like my onions crunchy when I eat spaghetti. So differently. Everybody make their food differently. So again, the way that you make spaghetti, it's probably not the same way I make spaghetti. Hey y'all, so I am sitting outside. Let me grab my food. So I just showered. I'm sitting outside. Yeah, the weather outside is so wonderful. I think it's like 50 58 or 57 degrees outside right now. And y'all, in Florida, this is a weather where like you have to take advantage because you're not gonna get this every single day. You guys, forgive me. My balcony lights are like flickering, so it's like it's kind of making the lighting go off a little bit, on and off a little bit. But yeah, so I'm like, let me come and eat outside because it's such a wonderful. I love the cool nights. I just love it so much because we don't get them often, so when you do get them, you kind of have to take advantage. Look at my food, y'all. It looks so good. It looks so good, and I'm about to tear it up. Okay guys, I'm gonna enjoy the night. I'm gonna watch my show while I eat. Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna watch my show while I eat, and then I'm gonna wait until my sister call me, and then we're gonna have our meeting. And after that, I'm gonna call it a night because the girl is tired. It's 8:26, so yeah. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later.